Students, everyone, welcome to a new class. Today I am to start common nouns. Okay, in the before class we studied about these nouns, yes or no, definitions of nouns and the exercise related to the nouns. Now we are going to study about the common nouns. What is common noun? Just read this. Common nouns are the names of those people, places, things, animals which come under the same category or class. It means that what common noun is a name of a people, places, things, animals, or which comes under the same category or a class. So just see the examples. Common nouns are described in a general. They are not specific. Example, boy, girl, school. See, common nouns स्पेसिफिक नहीं होता है, नाम नहीं बोलते हैं. नाम तो हमारे नाउन्स में आता है, बट कॉमन नाउन्स में क्या होता है. सपोज गर्ल का नाम है, सपोज गर्ल नेम इज़ इशिका. सो व्हाट वी विल से, एक कॉमन में वी विल से दैट शी. yes, for the girls she and for the boys he. So that is a common, so we can use that common, that is called common nouns. Here also dogs are faithful, means here one dog is not mentioned, means dogs means all the dogs are faithful. Okay, so that is a common. Okay, so let us do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the common nouns which are given in the boxes. See, I have already explained in the online class, but let us explain. We prefer a dash to write with. We will write with what? Notebook. We will write in notebook. Okay, so Mr. Sam prefers to watch a movies in a where? Movie hall. Dash drives letter, delivers letter. Who delivers letter? Postman. Yes or no? Next page. Pooja bought some dash, but they were not ripe. That is mangoes. We have to use that bracket here. The bracket which is given now. From this bracket we are going to answer these questions. Okay. In the same way we use dash to talk with the who are far away. So we are using phones. The dash in the zoo are roaring. That is lions. These tube lights is not giving proper light. Teachers teach in the school. We take medicines when we fall. Books give us knowledge. Okay, so we had done. Now so let us see proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun means, see the definition. What is proper noun? Proper noun tells about the special names, that is example the names of persons, place, months, days, planets, special occasions. See, proper noun is also a tells about the names, mean it is also a name of person, place, things. Mondays like days of the month, days of the week. Okay, months of the year, like that, and planets, special occasion, books, epics, etc. Okay, so let us see the example what is given. It always begins, see, always remember that the proper nouns always begins with a capital letter. Okay, so remember, so suppose, see here Prakash is here, and this Prakash Pri. What is written in प्रकाश तो लिखा है, बट इट इज़ पी केस में स्मॉल में है कि बिग में? बिग मीन्स कैपिटल लेटर में. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दैट प्रॉपर नाउन हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही मेंशन्ड होता है. सी, जैकी इज़ अ फेथफुल डॉग. बेंगलुरु इज़ अ नाइस प्लेस. जैकी क्या है? द नेम ऑफ द डॉग. हियर बेंगलुरु इज़ द नेम ऑफ द city. Okay, so see, festivals occasion are also included in this proper noun. See, you can see that it is clear from this that this example, the dog and the city, the name comes under the same category of the common nouns. See, ये both जो होती है वो common nouns के अंदर आ जाते हैं. They are not, don't have a specific names. Okay, so let us start exercise. Fill in the blanks with the proper noun. Dash is the holy pick of Hindu. But हिंदू का holy pick क्या होता है? That is Ramayana. Our class teacher's name is what? Mrs. My name is Lakshmi Dubey. You can write down Lakshmi Dubey. उससे. So dash is the national bird of country. Which is the national bird of country that you know? That is peacock. Dash we share, on dash we share sweets and with everyone. दिवाली में हम शेयर करते हैं. The name of our school is what? Saint Mary School. Okay, we had done this also. The first day of a week is what? That is Monday. The last month of a year is December. Sunday comes after Monday. Eid is festival of Muslims. Delhi is the what is the capital of, which is the capital of India? That is Delhi. Yes. Next is common noun, proper noun. Okay, both are in this. Okay, so this Rama and Lakshmana were the sons king of Dasharatha. Lord Buddha was the preacher of Buddhism. I did not find the dash to open the key. That is key. Birds do not want to be in a, birds किस में नहीं रहना चाहती? केज में. Okay, and next is what? Dash is known as the Nightingale of India. Who is the Nightingale of India? That is Sarojini Naidu. Do you have any extra dash to write with? So we are writing with pen, so we are just having extra pen. Anjali Alia went to dash during her summer vacation. Summer vacation almost we are ready to go in Simla. Okay, same way owl can see at night. We visited zoo in Ornaments. The dash is a national daily newspaper, that is the Times of India. Okay, so let us start E question. Fill in nice with the proper nouns. We use dash to talk to those who live far away. Name of a phone. What we have to write? We have to write down the phone's name, that is Samsung phone, or you can write Oppo phone, any other phone. We go to dash for the studying. Name of a library. एक library का नाम देना. दिल्ली library, गुजरात library, anything. My father goes to dash daily, that is name of temple का नेम दिखा है कि कृष्णा टेम्पल, अम्मा माता मंदिर टेम्पल, एनीथिंग. डैश फॉर द ग्रेट पेट्रियट में नेम ऑफ पेट्रियट का नाम महात्मा गांधी, आप दूसरे का भी नाम लिख सकते हो. डैश इज अ फेमस क्रिकेटर कौन है, दैट इज सचिन तेंदुलकर, और दूसरे का भी नाम आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, सो वी हैड कंप्लीटेड लेसन नंबर 1. स्टूडेंट्स, राइट डाउन ऑल दीज एक्सरसाइजेज हियर, ऑल्सो ऑल दीज एक्सरसाइजेज, दिस वन एक्सरसाइज, all these exercises in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.